These cookies come together faster than a drive to the store, and they are so much better for you. You'll find the full recipe on Instagram and in the description below. We are using simple ingredients today: flour, granulated sugar, cornstarch, unsalted butter. I'm using homemade butter, and the recipe is about an egg yolk, vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, and whole milk. And if you've got a dough mixer or a blender with a dough setting, the process is lightning quick. This is the texture you're looking for. Once the dough is ready, roll it out and use a cookie cutter to shape your cookies. Then bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. As you can see, the cookies in the middle turned out just right, but the ones on the left got a little burned. And that's it! Your tea cookies are done! Click like and subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes from scratch. Thanks for watching!